Frustrated by the Dlmgr.dll error causing localized download orchestration to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. Quickly resolve Dlmgr library inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Dlmgr library, a generic download manager module. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of remote file downloads, handling resume logic and integrity checks for update data link manifests and software assets. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Missing Dlmgr library. DLL data often points to a failed patch within the localized download orchestration integration, and reinstalling the latest version of the program, where you saw the error, will automatically replace the corrupted library. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Dlmgr library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Manual intervention with Dlmgr library DLL is dangerous because it can overwrite newer, secure versions of the file with older, vulnerable ones. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. For users seeking clearer system diagnostics, the link in the description references tools related to managing the Dlmgr library environment. If you've regained access to Dlmgr library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.